Are you tired of spending so much money on commercial pig feed? Do you want your pigs to grow faster, stay healthy, and produce better meat? All while saving money? Then keep watching, because in this video, I will show you step by step how to make natural pig feed using simple, cheap ingredients you can find around your farm or local market. Natural pig feed is not only affordable, it's also healthier for your pigs. Let's get started. Why natural feed? Before we mix the feed, let me quickly tell you why natural pig feed is a smart choice. It's cheaper than factory-made feeds. It reduces chemical intake and keeps pigs healthier. It improves the taste and quality of pork. You can use waste from your farm. No need to throw food away. Plus, it gives you control over what your pigs eat, and that means better results in your pocket. Now let's move to what you need. Ingredients needed. To make natural pig feed, you need ingredients that give your pigs energy, protein, vitamins, and minerals, fiber. Here are 8 simple ingredients you can use. Maize or corn for energy. Cassava or cassava peels for energy. Sweet potatoes or peels, energy plus fiber. Bananas or plantains, ripe or overripe, for energy and minerals. Palm kernel cake for protein and fat. Ground nut or soybean meal for protein. Vegetable leaves like cassava leaves, sweet potato leaves, or pawpaw leaves for vitamins. Salt and ash, wood ash, for minerals and digestion. You don't need all of these at once. Just combine what is available around you. Let's now go to the mixing part. How to prepare and mix. Now, let me show you a simple recipe that you can use for pigs that are growing. This mix is great for pigs that are 2 months and older. Sample. Natural feed formula. For 100 kilograms of feed, 40 kilogram maize or cassava flour or peels, dried and ground, 20 kilogram palm kernel cake, 15 kilogram ground nut cake or soybean meal, 10 kilograms sweet potato or yam peels, dried, 10 kilograms ripe bananas or plantains, mashed, 4 kilograms vegetable leaves, chopped or dried, 1 kilogram bone meal or eggshells, ground, 0.5 kilograms salt, 0.5 kilograms wood ash for minerals. First, make sure all the items are dry or semi-dry. Wet items can spoil quickly. Grind or chop everything into small pieces. Pigs chew with their snouts and teeth, so make it easy for them. Mix all ingredients in a large, clean container, bucket, or on a clean plastic sheet. Mix until everything is well combined. That's it. Your natural pig feed is ready. Now that your feed is ready, how do you give it to your pigs? Feed your pigs twice a day, in the morning and evening. You can mix a little water into the feed if it's too dry. Always provide clean water for drinking. Water helps the feed digest properly. Give them the right quantity. Don't overfeed. It causes waste. A growing pig, 2-4 months, can eat about 1.5 to 2 kilograms of feed per day. Bigger pigs, 5 months and above, can eat up to 3-4 kilograms daily. You can also give extra snacks like pawpaw, cocoyam leaves, or boiled cassava as bonus treats. Want to make your natural feed even better? Here are a few tips. Ferment your feed. Let your feed sit for 1 or 2 days in a covered container. Add little water to make it moist. This helps make it softer and richer in nutrients. Add maggots or earthworms. Yes, it may sound strange, but maggots and worms are full of protein. You can grow them on rotting fruit or waste. Add garlic or ginger. Small amounts of garlic or ginger can help protect pigs from worms and diseases. Just crush and mix a little into the feed. Observe your pigs. If they are growing fast and looking healthy, you're doing it right. If not, check your feed and adjust. Here are the results you'll see when you use natural feed the right way. Faster pig growth, healthy pigs with strong immunity, better quality meat, big cost savings, less waste on the farm, and the best part? You're turning farm waste into food for your animals. That's smart farming. Feed for piglets and sows. Wait, are you also raising piglets or pregnant sows? Here's how you adjust the feed. For piglets, 2 to 8 weeks. Use more protein. Boil or mash soft feeds like bananas, sweet potatoes, add fish meal or soya milk if available. Give little and often, 3-4 times daily. For pregnant or nursing sows, add more leafy greens and fiber. Give more energy, cassava, maize. Provide clean water always. Add crushed bone meal or shells for calcium. Taking care of sows and piglets with natural feed makes your farm strong for the future. Giving pigs wet feed and not using it quickly. It will rot and cause sickness. Feeding too much cassava without drying or boiling. Raw cassava can be toxic. Not adding salt or minerals. Pigs need salt for good digestion. Using dirty containers. This can spread disease. Not balancing the feed. Pigs need protein, not just carbs. Always balance, clean, and observe. So now you know how to make natural pig feed from things around you. It's simple, it's cheap, and it works. Start small, try the mix, and watch how your pigs grow faster and healthier without buying expensive feed. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe for more farming tips. Share this with other pig farmers. Drop a comment below if you have questions, or tell us what you feed your pigs. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and happy farming!